100 times, even 1,000. And although some acharyas, they may say or they may write, oh, and if you do offenses in Vrindavan, you get 100 times the punishment, or you get 1,000. That's not written. That's not written. Some guru or acharya, he may say that to his disciples, because they may read, oh, Prabhupada, you get so much benefit. Even Prabhupada wrote in one letter to one sannyasi who was serving in India, and maybe India or Vrindavan, maybe even just India, I forget, in letters. And he didn't want to serve in India anymore. He was too much, it got too much for him. He was preaching, a sannyasi, traveling preaching. He wanted to go back to America. So Prabhupada wrote to him, maybe Achyutananda Swami, before 1970s. You want to give up your seva in India and return to America. But you should know that 1 year preaching in India, I think it was India, in Bombay and other places, 1 year doing service or preaching in India is equal to 10 years of preaching or doing service in Ukraine or Russia or America outside of India. So that's the power. So it's a very, very powerful place. So then we're grateful and we're respectful to all the Brijvasis, and we're always in this mood of humility, and we're always praying. The mood of prayer is, we talk about praying in the West and we talk about prayer, but there's so much Rajagun and so much movement and racing everywhere. Not many people, not so crowded this year. But the idea to live with every moment surrounded by the feelings of prayer, that's possible in Vrindavan. When you're just walking, you can immediately turn to prayer, because everywhere in the atmosphere is Krishna and Radha's name. The flavor, the sound of their name, and the flavor and the feeling of their pastimes is in the atmosphere. You know atmosphere? The air. Oh, Radharani, I'm in Vrindavan. You live in Vrindavan. Now I'm sitting on this rickshaw. I'm going to Radharaman, and I'm going along, and I'm seeing this road to the right from Fogalashram. This road goes to Davanalakund, and Davanalakund is where Krishna and that's where the gopis first expressed their Purva Rag. This is in Ananda Vrindavan, Champu. It's in English.